family is not only what you have 2 or 3 or 15 people. The way they have thought to extend their heart and share that wealth with those people, that is a true way of celebrating your holidays. When you celebrate in this way, then your holidays become holy days. You think of enjoyment, you go to the beaches. This is the second aspect. Vacation, enjoyment, go to beaches. Go for retreats, go to resorts. Wonderful. Go to resorts, go to beaches. But when you are there, then you come back. Just think. Do you just enjoy there? Or you are in joy there? You enjoy, but you are not in joy. It's not there. If you want to have a joy in your life, not only to enjoy your life, you have to have joy in your life. And if you want to do that, again, the way is, needle is not lost outside. I have seen people, they think if they will go out, they will have fun and they'll be happy. And sometimes it happens when they go out, they have fun. For how many days? And sometimes it's unfortunate to see when the people come, they are more broken because they fight there also. Even sitting on the beaches, in the mountains, they fight there also. Because wherever you go, you take your own habits, your own heart there too. You are the one, you take yourself there everywhere. You are the one who have to change, whether you sit in the caves or in California. Whether you sit in Bombay or in Hollywood, doesn't matter. But you have to change yourself. If you don't, you will not enjoy, or you will not be in joy wherever you will be. We were in Kashmir. In 1972, long ago, we went there. There's a beautiful shrine, like Mount Kailash in Tibet, is Amarnath in Kashmir. We went there, and after having the divine darshan of that beautiful shrine, we decided to stay in Srinagar. Srinagar is the capital of Kashmir. We decided to stay there. For 1 whole month we stayed there. It was so beautiful. We went for 3 days only, but we really loved it, liked it. We stayed there for full whole 1 month. And when we were there, we used to go every day in the lake. There's a beautiful lake. Lake name is Dal Lake. It makes everybody happy, but name is Dal Lake. Amazing. And we were there in the Dal Lake every day. After 1 month, we really enjoyed there. After 1 month, when we were coming back, my spiritual master, we were all together, and he told the person who was devotee with us to pay this boatman, because we used his boat every day. And when he started giving the money, our devotee started giving the money to the boatman, he closed his eyes, folded his hand, and with devotion he said, "Master, Swamiji, I don't want money from you. I have earned enough. I keep earning every day. I don't want any money from you. You just bless me. Just give me one blessing. I don't want anything else in my life." The master said, "Yes, I will bless you, but you accept the money also. For 1 whole month we have used your boat. we enjoyed so much, you deserve it, take it. Again he said, no, master, I don't want it. Just bless me one thing. If you give me that blessing, that boon, I don't want anything else. Master said, what do you want? Tell me. What kind of blessing you want? He said, I have only one wish in my heart. I am born in Kashmir and I'm brought up in Kashmir and I have lived my whole life in Kashmir. And I run this boat every day, and these people come from all over the world, but I have heard about Bombay, that Bombay is so beautiful, so wonderful. Since then, only one wish I have in my heart, how I can go to Bombay, how I can see Bombay. I don't know why I'm stuck here in Kashmir. What kind of karma I have done? Why my karma is not taking me to Bombay? We were really shocked and amazed. We spent all the way air tickets. We came here, spent money. We came for 3 days. We stayed here for 1 whole month. We left everything behind. Spent so much money just to be in this beautiful divine atmosphere. And look at this man. He said, what kind of karma I have done? Why I am stuck here? Just give me one blessing. Just one blessing. I don't want to ask anything from you. Please bless me. He took master's hand. He said, please, 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 say yes. Say yes. Master was thinking how to say yes now here. He is sitting in heaven, sitting in Kashmir and looking for Bombay. Will be a blessing? Will it be a curse to him? Taking him from Kashmir, from heaven to Bombay. Master said, okay, thy will be done, so be it. And he blessed him.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.